Welcome to Dam ARG YouTube. Comrade Newton, they talk about our leaders, traditional ruler, and Nigeria government. Make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Newton, the message we bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Please, we are at war. Sure, we are at war. If you watch the social media space, a lot of things is happening. The O2 weather we have here in Europe, no one is encouraging. When it comes to winter, not that. When it comes to the sun, that one outro coaster. I told us before now when we were leaving home, my mind was that they told us hasta luego, that to say, see you later. I never know it was hasta nunca. I don't think anybody with the right senses, who have the mind of liberation, who have been going, who have been in this very struggle right from time, we want to relocate from diaspora and say want to go to Nigeria and stay. Maybe that person is, he has a brain fag. There's something wrong with the person. I know a lot of people want to be taking such decisions, cannot dig we not dig. But we don't see have a society where we can live and dwell the way it ought to be. So it's a very big problem. We are in a very big mess. A lot is happening in the world today. And our social media space have been over bastardized with archaic ideology. That's what I want to quickly correct today. A lot of things have been happening, particularly the Edo social media space. It has come to a time that everyone is using sentiment to do everything. You can't talk to their leader even when their leader is doing bad. You can't talk to them. I saw a post and somebody wrote that so and so person should be brought to book, or he should be interrogated or being asked questions. Then I saw one or two persons writing, you are going too far. Going too far as how now? I'm not getting it clear. They can't talk to your leader. They can't talk to a political leader. They can't talk to bad traditional rulers. Then how are we going to have a better society that you'll be clamoring for? That to say all of you have made up your mind that this is how you are going to live your life. At times it gets me weak that in the 21st century, even those in abroad who feel you left home, someone just record an audio, send an audio for me. That why is it that a lot of people in this area part of Europe, I think the UK today, they have already designed out how they are going to go to number 10 Downing Street tomorrow or thereabout, about to make protests about the well-being of Nigeria. But why is it that this side of this Europe, nobody talks about that? That to say the well-being of your country does not concern you. The people I know here in Spain, what they know how to mobilize is police reports. That's what they know how to mobilize. And instead of everyone to become a patriot, we are still trying to do the old thing. How will you keep on doing one thing and expect a different result? There are various approaches we are supposed to be using today in order to enable us to have a better society. These people, it will come to a time, either they are going to collect your passport away from you and say, carry your wallet, go. Because they have given you free landing. For example, you have not built your house. Your friend allow you to stay in his house. You should try, either you are going to build your own or you go and rent your house. For example, your house knock. Your dwelling place is not your resting place. The first message I gave her when I entered Europe newly, I was opportune to anchor a birthday party. I talked about 3 things you must have to know in life if you must succeed on your journey. 1, know where you are to rest. This many years ago. Know who you are moving with and know where you are going. And these are the 3 fundamental things today. A lot of us will lack it. And we've forgotten what written in a book of Ecclesiastes 3 from verse 1 that says there is time and season for everything. Why would one particular season be constant in our lives? He said a time to throw stone, a time to gather those stones that have been thrown, a time to born and a time to die, a time to quarrel and a time for settlement. We want to dwell on one particular season, bring the money and share it. After all, is our leader now. Until you start seeing your leader as a looter, particularly when they are not doing right. Keep on supporting them. This is how you are going to end your life. You will die a wretched person. Because the reason why our work is not really yielding effective result is this. A lot of people are just there, particularly these, as we, let me count myself to it, as we just pass out their come, or as we just give us paper, take come down, at which this Europe you have to go through examination before you are be given visa. It would have not been contaminated like this. Too much of contamination here. The people that are here were supposed to be even be educating, joining us to educate our people at home. Now they come foolish pass. Too much foolishness. Now, let me, because I want to open a lot of understanding today. Look at what happened, what is happening in Benin recently. A man have been using his mouth to split up manner of things. Label people the name that's not their own. Now, forgetting that no matter how you label people, a day will come, the government will call you and say, come and prove this thing. Bring up the evidence. General Flan is a general in a U.S. Army. He has no right. He cannot just send soldiers to people's house. Go and remove that person from the house. No, he can't do it. It is when you hear, according to the Constitution, then the law will have its place. But people are trying to use what is happening in those states to bring it to an international body. Because it's only in Nigeria that even you are wrong or you are not wrong, army will come to your house and brutalize you. No policeman on this Western world will try to mobilize his friend to come and beat you. All of them, you go put their clothes. If a chairman of FBI call you name that is not of you, he will go to jail for it. But we are just trying to brainwash our people still. When even they are wrong, the law does not permit what you are saying. This very guy that slapped Emmanuel Macron, how many jet cents did they give to him? Just only 4 months. But what he want to do, he don't do one. Only 4 months they gave to him. 4 months. Not before years or 4 months they give to him. If you were manhandled that very day, maybe one of the policemen can go beat and join her. He will also sue the president immediately. If he go DJ finish now, he will still go put the paper for unemployed benefit. They go pay him. A system that is functioning. But someone will be in Europe, they are still trying to tell you as if we are in Africa, whereby Odion will have the right to collect money from Fulani, graze in any farm. I don't know where we are going from here. Even the people that live in civilized world, we are finished. That's the reason why I do tell you we are at war. The people you feel they are in the forefront, they are not in the forefront. That's why you have to start speaking out from your platform. Always go and comment in Facebook. Not only when we are in media like this. Anytime you see people saying what is not supposed, correct them. Just correct the person. Please, this thing you are saying, don't you think it's bad? Our society is gone, particularly this area of social media. Look at what many people are supporting. Anything that is not just is what they support. They use sentiment, not knowing that they follow the law. If you call me a criminal, you add my picture to it, you mention my name. That's why the people that are talking directly, you don't know the reason why they talking directly. I might just say Somumu in Edo State, you cannot sue me for it. I say Somumu, do you hear your name there? If I say that now, all bad traditional rulers in Benin, now God will punish all of them. Then you want to go and sue me. Sue me. When we get to court, look at what this man said. He don't mention your name. Did he show your picture? He said no. He said you are just trying to use assumption. That's freedom of speech. But it is not good you start doing it. Maybe you just want to start insulting people. Particularly when these people does anything. Bring them to book. You cannot expect you call somebody all names in the book for good 4 years. Then you are not trying to use law enforcement to cover up your mess. Those law enforcement are them mad. Even in this Western world, if at all your own son is a Supreme Court judge, They are waiting when you have problems, you go to mention. If you not do that case well, they'll revoke a license from her. But I don't know where many people get this archaic mind from. If Obaseki does what is not okay, he does it to me. I can jail Obaseki with the law. It's not all about chess here. When I will go to start accepting our defeat, only Edo people, some of them, we call it pre-Madonna syndrome. When Madonna is tired on stage, instead of Madonna to go and rest, he will never rest. That woman musician. Madonna not the rest. He want to finish it. It's called pre-Madonna syndrome. They has it. How can? If this boy want to arrest you, he have the right to arrest you. The thing is that, was he arresting you for that? What matters? It's not all about who you are. It's not about the country that you have. It's not all about the passport that you have. No. Why Spanish people going to prison? If I'm telling you at time, if I see you at bodyguard, I'm going to stab you. Because I know that two fighting. I've already have something against you. I will tell the court, please, I couldn't bear it. It was the anger that was in me. I know that they cannot jail me for fighting you, not to fighting. But already I've gotten something. Not that it's lawful for you to fight. That to say the best way I can express my anger. Hey, look, I don't just know. 30 years abroad, we are still thinking like see social media space when you look at comment, particularly having you ho and they are still using sentiment. Do you know what called deformation of character? Imagine a man said, you know what kills my father? If I file a paper tomorrow, I bring out the video. Please, I want the honorable court to come and prove it. Do you know what killed this man's father? Then tomorrow you start saying his son is a law enforcement. Are you useless? Oh, Bob, you are. You are not the one that owns the law. Waiting Donald Trump talk, waiting make them. He pictured the second time. Just go to the Capitol, march round. They turn up for his head. Then he was in office. But could you know Donald Trump have a veto power to revoke some certain things, but his power still have limitations. There are a lot of things cannot just go say, go and kill. That 2020, who gave them order for Kazani Soleimani to be executed? He was the one, because he is the commander-in-chief of the army. Whatever he tell the army to do when it comes to commander in the army, if you tell them, please cease fire, they will cease fire. But why not go arrest Mazugabo? But we are just trying to, a country where there is no lawlessness. We are trying to compare it to Nigeria, where one of the way can collect money from Fulani and let them graze you. He will say, what are we teaching our people? And what society do we think we are living? Are we trying to just say that Una the Kanu, everything is said that is true, that everybody, as we are living in a country that is zoo, everybody must be an animal? No. Let why not be wise for once? And see people running comment with sentiment. This law. What you know that people have not done, don't do it. I can tell you, you are stupid. You are very mad. Because you acted as a madman. But on no account, you just start giving you name, I cannot defend it. Look, who are don't. If people want to live follow up the case, they don't want to 1 year day. Even though if his son a brigadier army. Now go even make the open the law pass. Shame not go even let his son call. Your own papa not even call. I gave a story one day about Silent Night. That was how Peter Stalin blowed. Stalin, a lot of you don't watch him. Stalin went to go and commit crime. Hoping for the father is a chief judge. People were expecting his father is going to judge up the case. Maybe go leave Stalin to go. Papa Stalin sentenced Stalin. That was Silent Night. He sentenced Stalin. Because you have to follow the law. If he commit crime. The very day you become a policeman, don't treat anybody anyhow. Because your case file, they must follow it serially. There are a lot of things we immigrants today, we have the right to do it. The Spanish people, they don't have the right to do it. I can be driving right now, it's okay. My car not get insurance. I feel it, I even want to move on an inch. But the real book can never try it. Because any debt, they must draw on. Even though when you don't die, they'll go put you in for a grief. Or your children go pay that debt. What are we saying? Do we just think everybody is a fool? Don't not go sleep. Are you in war? Nobody go who want man you. Where they call the station, your citizens here good. What did they do? We are trying to interrogate him to make sure that You call people this, call people. You have to prove in it. They'll say, follow up the case. Now they go tell you now. Now your country people will tell you now. Say yes. It be like those days when you, if your papa, your father is disciplined, he get fight or you go fight. If police arrest you, they'll say he go tell you, he go tell them. Your papa now go tell the police say, "Mo na keep on there." And they thought I know they hear what. He go out join your case. Then what are we saying? May God help us. I don't know when we are going to be wise as serpents and be humble like a dove. It's the topic there. If you read the book of Matthew 10. Verse 16. Behold, I send you forth as a sheep in the midst of the wolf. Be ye therefore wise as serpent and be harmless like a dove. This is the Bible for you. But we won't read it. If you read the book of Genesis chapter 3 verse 1, he said the serpent was the most cunning of all animals of the air that God made. Serpent was very cunning. Very, very sharp. That's why that Matthew 10 verse 16 say, let us be wise as serpent. Be very wise. Not the do mumu. Not the do mumu. If your children happens to be whatever, will they beside you to start constituting nuisance? Don't you even think you are fooling those children? Imagine your papa go thief. Or you know what you come the push it. That's why he tend to wagwami wagbera. Or maybe na your papa go rate 16 years old child. Agbe ya deba. We are the type that offer of what first. All those parable we been make. Nema doya, nema euhai gagwan. And so I went and me wagbera. None are responsible. Is your father responsible? What has your father done? Everywhere no yara. Or ami who boy, where do baba you want to join the fight animal. Fool. Atete wuji go mo go you that atete say mo. If you do what atete wuji go that atete no where would you go ni? Mo go use and sell drugs. Whether I know wuji go. Obi do ajigbe na to you wa. Obi do no where you have man hu. E man we van ya ko no where mo bi do ariwa. O come here you do go. Where you do go Titanic. Queen Mary 2, the biggest ship. Queen Mary 2. Maybe Mary 1 go don't come out now. But you do go. So don't look Bini parable. All of them, that's what put us in this state today. All this thing need to be amended by the word of God. But we won't. How responsible is your father? How responsible is your father? Maybe if never carry that way, or yeah, so. How many times have your father say that they beat you when your papa join you? How many times? Will your father trust you and they are beating you, join the fight? No, I say, wagu bobi. Uya vokan digweya. So when we was banning now, your children will just park on, they'll go to fight for you. A readable song, okay, college station. I heard that my dad is in your custody. What happened? They'll give a story. Now shame me go to drop that phone. You go book and you say, Dad, why have you been so stupid? Dad, you know that is not good now. Why will you be calling names you cannot defend? That is a reasonable child should behave. Why do particularly some of those useless and fools. True, they pay them for body. I don't know why. Settlement for everything. I can sue a commissioner and win. I can sue a boy and win. It all depends. Why make a problem? For example, now we bought the quarrel, maybe Ogbalegbe. You use one word, I'll say they call me monkey, and they sleep on top of tree. You got no evidence, I got no evidence, what they dig and they go. I go use that one take cover with because you are going to talk, say, you know what this is. You know this is a chico kesu no mono. I not call her monkey. Ego they drag his head. Now so what would they tell you? Say we know how to make problem. We they make diplomatic problem. But I cannot start calling you names. If I'm saying you are a terrorist, I must have a certificate of occupancy or a note that to show that really look at what you have done. Must you keep on labeling everybody? Then you why? Very if a door from a door can be wiped from the face. If you do some man who are man because they are the major problem we have. Some of them every year. Look at what they are bringing to social media space for people to start digesting. They will never, men are the people that can never accept their fault. Even when they are wrong, prima donna syndrome. They will never accept their fault. You don't see sign of remorse in them. So, this thing I did it out of hunger. Look at Paul the Apostle in the book of Corinthians. He said, I was one first a blasphemer. I was one first a persecutor of Christians. He said, but everything I did it out of unbelief. That was what Paul said. They will never repent. Why unya? Are you the one that owns the law? You are not the one that owns the law. Emi soma son that way when I way yes ajegan. Ununa mama fiegan. And I will further buttress it to you. If you read the book of Proverbs 21 verse 23, he said, those who guard their mouth and their tongue keep themselves from calamity. Those who guard their mouth and their tongue keep themselves from calamity. That's why today, nowhere in the world, forget all these fake name people are trying to say, and to put you in jail. As an activist, do you know the work of an activist? Do you know what work an activist is? It's to talk to those animals that is not ruling you well. It's to talk to them. If you are not using sentiment, carry me go court. Let me go and do it. Don't humiliate me more. Charge me to court. Charge me to court. And let people really investigate you. If you have not been the one that be part of our suffering, why do we insult our leaders? Now waiting we see, then see. Okay, can Oshomole come and tell us what he do with 30 billion? If I say today Oshomole is an animal, let it charge me to court for defamation. That's not defamation of character. An animal is the person that can go away with 30 billion. What he said, he used the money for the society. They see erosion. So people don't know the meaning. If you don't know something, go and read about what you are doing. Read about your calling. It will be better. Read about your calling. If I call you a patriot, what does a patriot do? Patriot can pay for good society, the well-being of the people, the nation, the state. It campaigns about it. We criticize anything that will put our state in a state of ajagaduism. That's what we do. But it is not my duty to start giving you names or start investigating what we're waiting to your papa. You see all these people that you are seeing today, they are going to go to jail. You are going to go to jail one day because of your man. Nobody will save you. Not even any FBI can save you. But we are here deceiving our people. Just in our chest, they white. If they really want to deal with all of you, give you court paper immediately. A day ticket to work with. Your embassy is even the one that is going to. They will submit all your crime for your embassy. The embassy tells you to go and be behaving anyhow. If you have done well, no crime against you, like now, maybe I go to Nigeria, you want to underestimate me. Just send police to come and arrest me. If the police arrest me and it keep me more than the normal time, if the policeman is having a problem, that's why the rule of habeas corpus come in, that nobody is expected to spend more than 48 hours in the prison custody, not until I'll be condemned by the law court. That's why in Europe here, 3 days that they keep you rich. They will leave you, may you go. Only in Nigeria in the do there, 3 months. Because you are an animal. Try it to somebody that has brain. And let's see what happened. I might think we're in Nigeria international court. What are you jailing the person for? Most of the things people are serving jail for in our country today is not lawful, it's not in law. It is not in law in any form. But they just want to oppress you. These are the things we are fighting against. Ogbalegbe here will not say because I have problem with him. He insulted me and I insulted him back. Imagine Ogbalegbe, they call me Hilipoya. Ogbalegbe, they control me, they call me Cabron. I'll say 2S un Cabron grande. 2S, 2 ma Cabron que yo. I'll tell her. But could you know that is not enough for her to go pull for grant for station? Said I was insulting him. No. He need to wait till the day where I go commit crime. Either he saw me driving a car without insurance before you give me pro, you can't use the station. I'm not supposed to control it, but I need to give you this motor. You will give me the sanction. But where do we get this match from? Feeling as our head take big as we take no one politician. Now they not take you, even you are in abroad or what damn what. Most of you now need to die. Your match have a better society. We cannot continue that. Don't look people keen into it. Don't look at people falling for what they're not supposed to fall for. The reason why the book of Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23 tell us to guard our heart. He said out of it flow the issue of life. He told us to guard because whatever thing that comes from your heart, my dear, it defies you. How can you call people? Don't call people things you cannot defend. I feel I'll say that animal in America because really is an animal. It is an animal. I have the videos. Is somebody not an animal, the honorable court? Why will this, if this really is not an animal, why will you use this word? I know what that killed my father. Automatically, I won the case. There are a lot of cases. You don't need to even start shouting. How many senators you know? The senator, the House of Congress, we want to help you. We are trying to change everything. Now, the Western world we did now. It's almost the same thing everywhere. No policeman has the right to oppress you. Policeman will amend in your way. Are you stupid? You are more than fucker. Tell us, say, now your pa, your man be more than fucker. More than fucker. You don't work outside your duty. Does that mean you are a jailer? You can just pull and cup in any person's hand. If I thought you are a jailer, now person where they say me you pull and cup for you, now you go put on. That's why Ogbas now, if they raid you, if Ogbas come your house, they'll first ask you permission first. Can we please enter your house? You have the right to tell them, say, no, stay there. You go stay there. European police, now only Nigeria, they will pass. If you say me, they not pass it, they'll pass there. They can even go to your bed and raise it up. But for that, yeah, they have to first take search warrant. If I thought you are under arrest, they'll first raid you. Chico está aquí. Bueno, te lo manda la autorización in 10 minutos. He go call for authorization to search your house. They don't just come and start entering your house. But people will come on media and start deceiving people as if you are sitting on top of a tree. Does that mean if your country is zoo that you are an animal? It doesn't mean you are an animal. I know say some people are an animal inside, but people are just here in media to start deceiving people, telling people all manner of things. Nobody want to educate anybody. They'll come here, read Nigeria, turn everything. But is it like that in Jan? It's not like that here now. We don't face such an oppression here. I have the right to go on. If you are an oppressor, even the fight now, maybe somebody doing something. Or Bagua, do you want to make Tunisia? You want to make a report? He go say no. If you want to make report, go. If you don't want to make report, no problem. Several issues have happened like that. I'll say, you know, no care. Tell them, say, I don't need them. I don't already do what I want to do. But those ones are wasting of time. But what people that were supposed to tell us the little thing they know about law, they don't read Nigeria, were rant anyhow. I will tell you, say, because say you get passport, say they don't fit you. I will jail when I offend. Now, because say they don't mean you now. I will the work with you offend. Not even the any Congress we call. I have a call. You are not being humiliated. They are following. Nigeria have their law. Till when you go do by now, you know, say Nigeria the 5 pesos for. Waiting make Pastor Alfred, you know, sir. Apostle Alfred, you know, sir. Waiting make on the go court. Waiting see for media. You see him for media. He talk about whether I repost them again or no. And that is one go court for. Waiting about get case for court. Waiting person said that give and say post on. The person said not be he not be the person where you post on a button. That's why I don't know how to write about people. I can scold you with my mouth. I may not even mention your name. That's it. But let's gather our heart. Let's gather ourselves. But the so-called some stupid followers will not clap for person in enter problem. You are calling people's name. Be ready to defend. Have the evidence. Why must you lie? Why must you lie? You cannot lie against people. Labeling people. The time we come, they will even lock you. At the time 1 or 2 persons report you. Why are you always calling people this name? They go lock you up. Why can down one day? No, who for a lifetime what pay? Do you think all is everything you do? Like what be some useless fool know how to do? You talk to them, they'll go to carry your picture. Most of all right now, they drive us come on for media. We cannot upload our friends' picture and our family picture on media. We can't do it because they'll go and tell you to do another thing. Or maybe okay, Ziambe your own news and win now. Just look at the annoyance. May God help us in the mighty name of Jesus. Those who keep their mouth, who guard their mouth and their tongue, keep themselves from trouble and from calamity. Ununa are control. If the traditional institute in Edo State, you only your thought that they go jail you for 3 months. Do you think it's a very painful thing? But I have a word for all of you. The book of Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6. He said, go to the ant, yes, slugger, consider his ways and be wise. The ants. Say me you go to the city of ant. Do you that is lazy in brain. The book of Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6 telling you, go to the city of ant and consider its ways. Ant no get advisor. If you read out Proverbs 6 verse 7, he said he has no commander, overseer, or ruler. He has no commander. But how comes ant then save against the rainy day? During summer like this, they carry animals the entire hole. So that when rain go to fall, now waiting their reserve, now they go to eat. This was where the American learned from. Where you say America must have reserve. But some fools that grow up in America, who have been there, they don't forget American blood. You come Nigeria and they turn everything. America citizen. We call them #1 citizen of the world. And you are blocking on my deck. Can you block anybody? More than touch get people like us. And they will report me. They have to investigate me. If you are lying or man of told it not be as your man just say when water die. I can't get it. Why not they try to turn all these things? Nobody can just report you and you'll be put in jail like that. When you have no such criminality, you'll be investigated. You call me a terrorist, don't mean I'm a terrorist. You are only just fooling yourself. At the time you report me, yes, they start monitoring me. They now find out that I'm not even terrorizing anything. Only what I'm terrorizing, it is our ballot that they talk to them, they insult them. Then who is to going for it? Yeah, somebody will just come, at least, we are no longer sleeping on top of tree. Look at that Proverbs 6 verse 8. He said, yet he stored his provision in summer and gathered their food at harvest. That's what they do. The Bible right now is referring black people to the city of ants. But a lot of people don't want to hear the truth. They are not using sentiment. This is not Nigeria where at the time you have a commissioner of police in your family. The younger one can go to and kill anybody, then it will still be released. That's why we call it Banana Republic. That's why Nigeria is a zoo. Because anything can happen in the zoo. You cannot be comparing Western world. Please, you guys will be doing all those your menace at home. We know how Europe functions. That's why we don't commit crimes. If I tell you all the time, the best way I can explain myself is to say, I will not say I'm going to shoot you with gun. I say, I go stab you for boarding gate. I go fight you. It's not a crime. It's not a crime. After all, you can fight. Trying to express your anger. But somebody will start telling you as if you suffer an omega. A money will be a boy, you will be a passport. Under normal condition, passport is a means of identification. It's not supposed to be one kind do or die, whatever. But because of our suffering, now we take passport to be one thing. We now be a British citizen. White people, we value. Some of them don't even remember they renew their own. They don't even remember. At times, some of them, their driving license go die. You say no remember. 2 years back, you go, you not even know where to win. They so brainwash you right now, and the time you got passport, it's a means of identification. Your date of birth, where you from come. Just the same way they are trying to identify you right now with I have got him at this thing where they use now. He may want test him. He may want test him. Any person they misbehave, you know say hey no come when you even know what down. It down with van. Tell them say yes, that's why you are misbehaving. He may want down and say I get on here. I get on here. Let me try and put it on something. It able the gum. This is a key to my this thing. A key to my this. Oh, it don't fall. Sorry. You know enter where the iron there. You know. Let me see if I can get it back. Okay, I'll bring it out later. Just hold on. Let me see if I can get it. Whatever thing you are doing, like we have to be practicalizing it. Now here the you see, what you make can feel gum this thing now. Now here the battery of this very key. Now here you know see. If you put on for this side, now you go fall. See, I know the gun for this side here now you go your gum. See, you see to it because now here the battery there. So this is the same thing that's happening today. We are testing people now. You know. So me, we cannot keep on like this. Our leader is troubling us. The people we are supposed to help sensitizing our people, letting them know. How you man the one we go now? You go anywhere again. Wise you can never wise. Whatever thing you are doing, find out. Do research about what you are doing. This thing I'm called to come and do. What is my main purpose? What am I supposed to be doing? Please, more love and light, please. to enable the video go viral. To the extent that the Bible had to compare with, he said we should be wise as serpent. Serpent, is he a relevant animal? It's not relevant, but why would the Bible say you should be wise as serpent and be humble like a dove? Again, he refers to the book of Proverbs 6 verse 6. He said, go to the city of An, ye slugger. You that is not, you are not fasting. That's why today, our society is going to be difficult. Look at what's happening today. People are still seeing, I saw one, I don't know, in a Benin name. It was one of our Edo brother that made the video. He said IPOB are threat. A Benin person say IPOB now be threat. What Fulani has me be doing? You know me. Hi. How witch they scream no matter that you can just bleach yourself and become. I would have been the first player that would bleach. I'm tired of being in this midst of fools. Foolish people too much. How can 80% of an ethnic group just become foolish and useless? How can? You can't survive like that. Okay, if home is good right now, the way they want everywhere cast. Now problem with every day Europe now hard pass. A lot of you right now you are thinking. You are not confirming very your work been on in Macau, all you don't want to know is to leave. We don't bloody care. So far they just break. Thinking we cannot think. These people, they are trying to fix up their environment the way they tell like can. But it's not a part of our this thing like that. Oibo will even be happy right now that this thing just like can. Maybe there are some other program that the way go even days away go see the use that they do in life they go. But will it be favorable to it when here now? The kind of food you eat, did you know whether they can retreat you from that food tomorrow when they don't own this thing within your body? You don't know, on in Macau, when all you just know so far they give it to you. By now we are supposed to be rebelling, but it does not concern anybody. But the kind of food they eat is very different from our own. Very, very different from our own. Therefore, all of us get the same blood. But the kind of food they eat different from our own. Maybe get where go reach and they'll say no, they eat too much pepper. Maybe this is where they but not go to overreact. You get where go reach now when you get yogi. May not go to the influence for your heart. And not the pepper soup again. They'll come retreat you from a lot of things. We are not just thinking about the side effect in anything that we are doing. We are happy today. Nobody reason. We want the same way to come and think for us. Look at what's happening at home. No unity. Look at the protest. People will come out to protest tomorrow, right? Now, I pray may God save all of them. Only God knows what the federal government of Nigeria is planning. Look at what Muhammadu Buhari is saying that the Brafa is a dot. Look at what your president is saying. But that one does not concern you. You cannot boy. Whether for criticize your mate and tell for criticize you because the same disease that affects Igbo people is going to affect you. At the time they get to your community, rather maybe they never reach your community. At the time they get to your community, now that time you know say yes, this thing are for they come for everybody. Don't 10 things for everybody. They come and steal, to kill, and to destroy. It's for everybody. It's for every dying Nigerians. If you have not been in the political space, you are not be a part of the elite who have sucked Nigeria to a standstill, who have been making that country. It must affect you. You are watching people, they are showing television. Hey, this person have taken it. Hey, I will say they want to kill everybody. They would have used Coca-Cola. Just see what people are thinking. And majorly, again, the 99% of people having problem in Jan today, particularly the African, is caused by their family. Or what setting. What you are passing through today, trace it to your home. Because the Bible recorded in the book of Matthew 10 verse 36, he said a man's own enemy is a member of his household. A man's own enemy. Look at what every one of us is going through today. People are no longer sounded wise. Look at it. Money you send home here, they use and do their own. Car you go give them, they will spoil them before you come. They go manage that car thing. Now that is the engine, they start again. Check how you take care of your brothers and sisters at home. Your brother you train in school. From secondary school to university. Today you are no longer in good time with him. Because you choose not to say, okay, now you want to face your life. He asks you when you don't see bring come. If you think you have a relationship in Africa, you are joking. Stop sending money and let's see. Either the friendship you are going to get is going to be from friends you know outside, not even your brothers or your sisters. Now wait till Jesus Christ see now make that word. Say a mazo enemy. The one way they your family go contact the friends where they follow waka here. Now network system. But if you are telling us as if we are joking. Or sure my or sure my but at times the parable of the Benin that would have also worked with us, we go forget them. Check your problem today. Why is it that up till now they were able to account of just 2 flats, even you were supposed to be having estate? Imagine your sister normal year we owns a house. Since you stop to build your own now, you don't concern money. Why you not come back another land build another one? They use your money, but today they've driven you out and you they worry them. And it was your money 100% now you use. Somebody will not come up for us, so go get us on your detriment. Your own I boy for your boy for them. Because why they are thieves. 99% of family are all of them, they are all rogue. Both mother, children, brother, and sister. Do why I train on my baby school, my day is better than. God would have even blessed you more if you have helped other person entirely where you don't know before. But a lot of people, they concentrate on their brother. Hey, my brother need to go for BSc. What now bring problem between you and your brother today while you are not playing? Or you know my way sit down. Please, more love and like, please. At times you just think, look at Africa. That's why I like Oibo. If Oibo man, Oibo meet papa for bar. If you not tell papa say, I more go bar or buy something for you. If papa they'll pay their different money. But although many lavies say, domo, now they kill also. If Oibo papa, he did Barcelona, his son did Madrid. If they work by papa say to me, go say me papa shut up his mouth. Papa kayate. Pokeri, eh? Votocho no aganao. Poker. You go cause it, papa. But our own, you cannot even breathe. It has come to a time you can't breathe. A guy wrote up a thing and said, this person should be investigated. Somebody wrote that you are going too far. He never caused him. He never caused him. And this person, his name not the Abuja. His name is not even in House of Assembly. The person they are even referring to. His name is, look at how, come on. Please, who have organic cream? I want to bleach. And I'll see drink. I want to change myself. I'm tired. We cannot continue like this now. It has become a position. A lot of people are just demigod. You cannot even mention their name. You can't try it. You can't. What's wrong with us? What's wrong with us? Until we get ourselves liberated first, mentally. No liberation anywhere. You have to first of all free yourself. How would somebody that think that is a slave, for example, live in a better society? How will you not be killing the farm? Because the Bible says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. Look at our thinking. Still very archaic. You can't talk it. You cannot even mention the name. It's as if the whole world is falling on you. And the foolish people now, they are also telling those ones they never want to be wise. People are still in this Europe, they are still living as if they are in their 1914. Huh? Look at ants. They don't get commander overseer. They don't get overseer. They are not tired. Okay, look, 2 things that God used us to. He said God used the foolish things of this world to confirm the wise. That's why the people you are expecting is going to, the people you think is going to call liberation, a story. Oh, Puma before, not be take it back. But the momentum, Brafa, Una the Kano have gotten today, take it back, I have not been able to even do anything. They are not even afraid of take it back the way they are afraid of Una the Kano. They are not even afraid. But have we donated? We did donate money for Una the Kano. It was taken back, we donated money for. According to him, 150 million naira. That's what he gathered. But those people, we couldn't, there was no posters. We finance everything ourselves. But the matter, there's not having peace. No talk of a man you have not paid any money for. But someone must stand as a leader in any struggle. Leader that is fighting for freedom, they always made mistakes. But don't always look at their mistakes Look at what they put on ground. Where we are going, what matters. Moses intended to obey the people. That was why he fucked up. About when God told him to bring water from the rock. He used the method that God told him not to use. That was when he disobeyed God. Because that one, he didn't see the promised land, he could not enter. Do you think it's easy to fight for freedom? Maybe now you want to start hunting my English. That guy English not too plain. And that guy for Benin. I'm an activist. I'm an advocate. So at the rush, they talk. If I go for interview, the way Lai Mohammed they talk, how they cut down. But you see me at the rush, they talk word. Mistakes must come inside. I may not be able to even finish on certain sentence. But look at where I start from, where we're supposed to be in the middle. Help me out and fill in the blank spaces. That's how it's supposed to be. But today, nobody send anybody. Any person where you know, don't know for himself. What we know is to be very decisive, you know, telling people waiting on behind. About our society is what we're always preaching. Preaching hate and all that. What are we putting in the media? I told you the other time, this last month here. I keep on saying it. If social media was a country, look at how all of us fucked up. And look at how you also join as a commenter, as a fan. Look, I will mesmerize everything. If we can do social media like this, that we came, it's not even up to 2 years, 3, 4 years. If you don't even 2 more, don't to 10 years, 8 years, for example. Look how we messed up everything. No talk about a country that has been there since 1914. Then in your own feed, how have you been? What have you been doing? Is it not this social media? A man will be happy fighting with a woman when the other thing is supposed to, a man that was supposed to be a patriot or an activist, benevolently keep on fighting a woman. Just come on media, what can you tell a woman? A book will come woman will just insult you. If they pay me for but the very day women start insulting me, I'll know my time is up. I'll delete the page. I rest myself. What did I have to tell any woman? What did I have? If now let's say you say, oh, I don't know. People don't take a lot of things. If man like me still insult me, if they get me for body. They're not too bad about times you want to also change kind of your program, but not constantly. We have more problems to tackle. How many people are talking about the well-being of the state today? Nobody cares. If I know when I do you, why are they by governor dole do you? Una not get shovel. Una not get trouble. What did you have? Before God called Moses, when Moses come across the Red Sea, he first of all asked, Moses, what's that in your hand? Wait till you get why dole do you now. This is your cake idea. This is a fancy. What did you learn? Open up a workshop. Go and teach people what you learn abroad. You know how to drive. Open driving school in Edo. You know how to mow block. Open up a block factory. This is una man that I go governor de Edo. What is for the Edo? Nene do wakamuri ane. Watami mage governor we gay no governor we gay no. Gay wa Henry alele wina. I don't know why people will never mind their business. But if a lot of people just hear that one and let's unite together, let's make Edo to be great. Have you been able to do anything in your place? Which work you they do for the giant? Have they the employment they get to you? Have you serving any purpose? Oh, why we born? Have you put or you are even in the UK taking care of all those mad people? Now you they give them drugs. What are you doing? Always come on media inconveniencing the social media space. And let's make Edo to be great. Make Edo to be great by your mouth. Tell me, show me your handwork. Go to somewhere. I can teach you. I can start teaching you construction online. If you want me to do, I can do it. I have displayed a lot of working tools. How many of you have done that? Make Edo to be great. Talk to your youth. Let them to go and learn work. Why am I not always showing fancy things? I know one man, I mean, busy and I make one can spoil the youth. I see some of our Edo brother, they will live better than us. They wear clothes past us, yes. Because they have time to do it. But now we be cloth. I cannot be because I want come media. I first go make up. Can't go one place, the most beautiful place for Spain, or can't go one hotel. Can't say, okay, what do I have to give? I'm discouraging you. The way we would do our video here, if our brothers and sisters at home have such an environment, they would have even, their video will be more beautiful. You don't see where I did. If I can't even now, we are good day a day here, so we can be able to get ventilation, but the ventilation is not that common. Imagine we are just in June now. We never enter July. The heat here and die. So it's not easy. Make a dog great, let make a dog, let make a dog great. Make a dog great as how? You are in down, you didn't let one work. If you are security, go and open a security network in Edo State. Not making a dog great, let's join the governor. Hey, governor, how much you need the yobo? The governor tell you you need the yobo. The social media aspect, you people be able to make yourself relevant or responsible? Tell me one fact you people have fought in terms of moral lessons. I was the one that taught you people the value of your children. The most of you are fools. You don't even know the value of your children. You prefer to lay cost on your children than you yourself. I was the one that fight it here. A woman that will lay cost on innocent child, all the way governor Doledoyi. Don't you see how foolish most of you are? Why you are hey, let make a go to be great by what you are saying, by the amount. Do you know what it takes to make society to be great? Say what is right at a given time. Tell the governor what and what they will do. Talk about rapid responding. Tell the governor what is the way they are fixing up the environment here. Let governor also adapt such a system. That's how to make a Edo to be great or whatever. You don't make a Edo to be great because the person you call terrorist today is no longer terrorist again right now. He is now a good person. Even without you denouncing or removing the case from the station. Because both of you come together right now, you want to support. How are you supporting the governor? How? Una just make person the paro. When will you ever want to teach? When? Ali teach morals. Usai. Onama. Talk to your leaders now. Fulanization is already happening. If they come Edo, you guys cannot talk. You guys can't talk. Why here you are? You like fighting yourselves. Fighting yourselves in media. And this one, no one make Edo to be great. What does what Abat is doing, how it affect Edo to be great? Does that stop tying road? Coordinate yourself first. Coordinate yourself. I see a lot of people saying he's the one who bringing peace. Peace there, Edo. Peace is in Edo. Now this social media too now for the disturb on herself. There is peace in Edo now. Is governor and SSG fighting? Is the traditional ruler and the House of Assembly, are they quarreling? But you guys cannot talk about the CDA that is back right now. You can't talk about it. You can't talk about the atrocity of the bad traditional ruler. That if you can talk about your bad traditional ruler, the bad one inside, that to say you are making Edo to be great. It is not what people are doing on social media that not make Edo to be great. What they are doing on ground. Talk to your bad traditional rulers. Talk to the people that are taking 20 title from the Fulani. That won't make that going to make Edo to be great. They are here guiding you people in social media make Edo to be great. Why can't the governor? A governor I do boy your own winner. Oh man, on depression have your young winner. A governor will be why we wanna me view bonnie. You should look for technocrat like him. People who have their bring the center of their head, who technologically savvy, who have idea. You learn construction abroad. Go home. Tell the governor, give me work, I can do it more better. If I come Edo State today, now where they do road, now I'm going to follow Waka. Anywhere they are doing the building, I will correct them and put it online. I will teach them in your presence. New Year, I will be up there. That's how to make Edo to be great. You are there making it great, whatever thing I can do. You people are tired of insulting. Keep on insulting. Think everybody just fool. You can just come and put anything in the media. And the foolish people now wear erosion carry enter abroad. They not just they think. Now they pay me pass. Our society will be over bastardized. Fear factor is there, you cannot talk. There are people today, demigod, you cannot even mention their name. If you mention their name, they label you all manner of things. That is society you want us to live. I can't get it. People are going to university to go and study better things. A lot of people go there and study zoology. Okay, no problem. You can be taking care of animals. But why will you also go after zoology? You graduated in your BSc. You want to also go and study Wobianism. What back now? Make Edo to be great. Make Europe to be great. We know what we are contributing here. Tell me where you have worked in Europe. We are the one that built this house. That is the area you can contribute. The white men know what we have done here. Most of the farm, the white men are farming today in Spain and Daki they do. Senegal, Ghana, and Nigeria. They are the ones doing their farm work. Those same time may still even make them to respect the immigrant. That when they say immigrant, they are not counting you where they inside so. They know the people they are counting that have added value to the economy. As I tell you now, people they say farm. They farm. May you forget through all those Zoom where you they eat. You don't even know how very it is manufactured. You can never go to where they sell cars and say, okay, now you can buy this one. Look at where I am right now. You can never. Only one time now go enter motor and they go work. But what have you been doing since you have been in Jan? But you can't say it. You can't say what you have been doing. I can charge a lot of people. I show you the other day. A Senegal man was the one that called me. Please, Newton, 2 years in Casa UZKC. Pastor I saw this guy say, the Losenya dog coach. To think, may you that this guasalo. Okay, if I doesn't know how to do it, how will I do it? I buy tools all the time. I buy tools. My friends, they know. If you are looking for any mechanical instrument, you will meet me construction at the like buy. You get where I go now, start to do giveaway for mechanic for house. There was a spanner I bought that day, a wheel spanner. When you get one motor, one busher. The wheel spanner way they did this, no feel loser. I go carry my bigger one for I say, okay, make the man carry me, I not carry my car, the more go out. When I bring out the man tree. Newton, quanto to our comprise. So now I tell and say, see how much I take back. Say anytime I see all this kind of thing, they want, you know, job bank keep. But it is not just something I keep. At times, once in a year, we will me motor busher. But at times, you all have a day, yo. Me tell and I say, we not they do because that one we are doing car business. We busher our motor by ourselves. Me with 2 of my friends like that. It's a competition. Only the win. There are some mechanics for other roads and mechanics. That's why nothing you tell me about car. Nothing you tell me. But what I love people using their life for. Constituting nuisance, fighting with women. That's why in life, it is good you make a lot of things, diversity. If this one don't enter, this one go enter. But some people own one way. It's why I want ban. I don't want me to escond the women, Jare. Yeah, for a Facebook, you being a fan to one idiot. Even when the person is wrong, you are still a fan. For you to tell the person the truth is a problem. How are we going to have a better society? The government of Europe today, they are doing well because their people tell them the truth. Go to their parliament and they argue. But they don't bully people. When I'm your Spain. But me, that what everybody do your own. But no rich man have ever wanted to start oppressing people here. But now on oppression. Imagine, look at what you are saying now. Let even have you, your brother is a major general. You would have carried your brother to go and assassinate the rest of people at home. Thank God where your brother is not a major general. If you can be proud as this, as if you want the law in your hand. Me might tell Jobadi Agbeo. Me wati ebo iwe Jobadi Agbeo. When are you be cutting going? Iwe to Agbeo me so ni. Ya do boss ni opa ibadi. You see a lot. There was a time here. This man making me to start insulting. You know what be Agbo. It was somebody when no person in America when you think on his hand go more. Me when about the women. It time me where you all and threatening more than be Agbo. Be a fian wo. But at times people want to just start threatening you as if this life they are the one that owns it. I think it pissed me off at times. Because now my friend is a police here in Spain and to start threatening you. Okay, what is he going to arrest you for? What are they going to arrest you for? Okay, they can't go plant drug for your house. That's the worst you can do. Calling people a man of name, then you are assaulting the person. Then or Henry payment also why have a vela? Why not tell this person this thing you are saying is not good? Oh, you madam have a normal quarrel insult your children, your wife, or go kill your wife, or go kill your only master. Why all fight you must have to support. Is it compulsory? You must have to support everything that comes. Look at how to make a daughter brigade now they tell now. So tell them that the people that owns all here will let them submit it for Baseki. how to make Edo to be great if you don't know now. Tell them that as many that is collecting chieftaincy title in the detriment of the Benin that are going to farm, tell them to drop the chieftaincy title. That's how to make Edo to be great. You don't make Edo to be great by coming out on media, hailing the governor, when after all intimidation, who not the deceive? Who bob you one? Stupid set of nincompoos. Who not the fool? After calling me all manner of names. If you have lose unko, only Benin people, why they get more give an election? To the essay when I blow like them working on banner. You now. That is the people are just behaving like he say book of right talking says only dog that go back to his vomit, only dog. You cannot hold one enmity for 5 years. Me, I can hold enmity for 100 years. I will come life again and see they do the enmity. Okay, wait till they but more swiftly. The most important thing are not to give you problem. If people they want to kill you, I will not top put. The word that can come out with is forgiveness. Please, Mona, leave this person alone. Or my son Akbomayi. But Mona not call the melee people who get sent the paro here. After doing everything, you are not even begging. You don't know what you are into. Because no balagbe yan risan wa no balagbe no have dame wa yan gbe o agbon e bia no man raw war ya agbon e bia cannot just come to Spain and come and pick me. They must have evidence of the deal I'll be doing. They must get the evidence. I can see a bia and say you are stupid, man. If you come motherfucker, I say where motherfucker will be king agbe you e bia chairman of bia if you cut me I'll cause am back. It doesn't function like that. But what are you charging me for? Have I committed crime? No. A lot of people, these are very senseless set of people. Okay, just look at this Osage Sylvester and you see them. Wait till be Osage, not be Benin. You can see that we are always very right. If I'm saying anything, you must not today, you know. Look at what useless Osage Sylvester is saying right now. Okay, what is not in line here? These are the same people, they will be clapping for their fan. Okay, now me be fool. You wake on the word fool, uncle. I accept. I accept what you say. Oh, but what about you? What are you doing here? You are in the platform of a fool. You know, see, I say, now your man, I be fool. Osage Sylvester. No law can enter your ear. Now, what better what be you a wagon? Where have you a talk boy? Now, this platform, now there for tie your destiny. Your banner, I go smoke, I go be. People that always look at the content, they don't look at the content. Education, they don't get. Education, they don't get. Okay, which ethnic group them where did they live before? I will tell you somebody today. What Senegal, what Benin people are doing? Senegal not they doing. That's why any black man they see right now, they start naming you another thing. Somebody were telling me this morning, because what one Benin person do, the thing can't affect them. Because no coordination. Feast up your society, you will never. These are the behave. They must carry Benin name. Will come misbehave. The truth, they never want to learn. That's just their major problem. They never want to learn. They believe on that the archaic idea. It must be according to how they think. The world right now is made for people for fast thinker. Intensify your thinking. Intensify it. Don't be thinking archaically. If you know, commissioner of police for Benin, even though you are a courtist, they catch you card on them obey you. Can't no judge here whether they go obey you for jant. Nonsense. Let's set it the way it is, so that we have a better society. You cannot build a society with lies. That's why what we have been doing in our country, no one is working because it's all with lie and settlement. How will you be living a life of settlement? Because it's from my local government. I have to live on my teeth. Not be now. Look at what the data people did. Boris Johnson. I think Boris Johnson now. The money that the Britain government they returned was 4.2 million pounds. But they might have given him chieftaincy title right now in data. Because not leave them is our own thief, not be your thief. And these are the people that are supposed to even be in jail in debtor today. But it will never be in jail. But somebody they caught now, Yahoo boy, they are lavishing there in Delta State prison. But Ibori is in a, they might have given him chieftaincy title. How are we going to continue like that? For those of you that live in Spain, if you are familiar with the politics of Spain, Rita Barbara, after Francisco Can, the former governor of Valencia, the former alcalde of Valencia, the governor of Valencia, Francisco Can, not be suit, they charge him for. Not be sued, they charge him for. After he left, was it not when Rita Barbara came back? When they killed Rita Barbara? They charged Rita Barbara for corruption. When they went for Moncloa in Madrid, he couldn't, he don't know he wanted to stand down. Whether he kill herself for hotel room, they break, they go find out and say Rita Barbara is dead. That woman just died. They told you who were waiting to kill her, I don't know. Because he could not stand it. Corruption charge, Rita Barbara. But our own, the more money they thief, the more backup they get. Not be woman minister the other day, they say 14 billion jewelries. The one they calculate to 40 billion, calculate 40 billion. If that 40 billion, they share 1 billion for Nigerian citizens, it go reach our turn 2 times. But here, Sylvester Nonkiamoguna, Osage Sylvester, look at what he's writing. His father not a fool living in such a country. Who is a fool? At least your generation should be the fool. At least me say no, this is right now. It showed that yes, I know what I'm doing. What is stupidity? Knowing the truth and still believing on the lie. So Osage Sylvester, after this very thing, I'm going to go and block your Facebook. You are going to be the first person I'm going to publish in this very social media. If your picture is there, you better go and attract it and block. I'm going to publish your picture. I'll send it to all my friends. The recent fool in the whole Nigeria and your generation, yeah, what a boy in you. If God don't speak to me to forgive you. What is stupidity? Knowing the truth and still believing on the lies. You still believing that Nigeria is your country. Osage Sylvester, it shows that your generation, your father and your mother, they are fool. It shows. It shows where you are from. Idiot. Anywhere Benin people go, some of them will fool themselves. Instead of you to go and even edit your name and change it to Spanish name. If you must even fight anybody. Your Enoge is collecting money, killing your brother and your sister in the farm. Then you are still studying the same Enoge. Who is the fool there? You know the fool. Even when the record is there. Or if person mention Enoge, oh my God, you are going too far. Enoge has become a god. That you cannot talk to Enoge. But somebody can call governor again. Then you clap for it. Enoge and the governor, which one is more powerful? He's called #1 citizen of the state. He has immunity. Any Enoge have no immunity. #1 citizen of the state is the governor and the deputy. But you guys can insult the governor. But they cannot talk to some of your foolish Enoge janja with Enoge. Who they installed there to be killing their people. I can't understand what's wrong with some people. That's why they will leave their problem at home. They will be fighting the Jama government. Hey, they are beating us here. But what is happening to you in the Benin or Nigeria where you are from? Look at how your president today is killing you. Instead of you to take Iboma problem to be your own today, you are saying not be Iboma, not you the key, not Iboma the key. What about when they not get to your tongue? The same way you are keeping quiet, the same way you react to when something is happening to other people, will make people to respect you that this person are more than only where you do. The way you take other people's problem. If you doesn't fight anybody, what now make you a fighter? It must have to happen to you first. Why not learn from other people's mistakes instead of to learn from your own? Most of the problem I've fought to stand still in this very Europe have been people's problem. And they have also given me encouragement to know how to also fight my own when it comes to my own turn. You cannot talk about what's happening on top. How are you going to learn? Don't you know this talking? You also learn it. That's why you can best insult your friend and indict yourself. The real your leader, your traditional leader, your political leader that are the terrorists, how they call them terrorists. The real your traditional rulers that are really the terrorists, but you can't call them terrorists. Who's supposed to be a terrorist? Somebody that has no cow is a terrorist. Why people that has a cow is Kabiesi? Okay, what brought about Fulani? Is he not the sponsor? My late father, blessed memory, he said you are aiding and abetting criminal. Well, any person that aid and abet terrorist is a terrorist. Because you harbor terrorists. Who are we supposed to be blaming today? Is the people that had relationship with the Fulani? Let's even assume they are friends. Their friendship was as it bring to us as a doe, as a Nigerian. And people are not proving themselves, yes, I'm so and so. I have a Fulani friend. They have given me entitlement. Go and do whatever you can do. Also, I guess if your family is not an animal, who is a fool here? Your father, your mother generation should be the fool. That somebody chopping chieftaincy title on your own detriment. Chopping chieftaincy title with a terrorist cell. But me, myself, that's a friend with Igbo people. You people are labeling me. But you couldn't label your Enoge that collected money from Fulani because he's a friend of Fulani. That was why he collected the money from Fulani herdsmen and said you can graze anywhere, eat their crops. After all, they are animals. They are my slave. I know. Already more for it. He go read for all of you. Go and tell the meaning of stupidity in the dictionary. Knowing the truth and still believing on the lie. Everything is so glaring today that your leader is your problem. But why are we always tying our problem to people who have never been even a part of our lives? A lot of people right now, things will be hard to them. Friends are always troubling you. Go to your background and check. Go and do a background check, spiritual check. Why is all this? Who is instigating all these problems? Oh, what man always said, if heart not trouble you, heart not go fit. If heart not trouble you, outside not go fit. But we're always looking at outside. Go and look at genealogy of where you are coming from. Whether which not they your family. Whether people not they will hate your man, hate your pa, who have sold you out. You think most of the things you see your community, people gossip here and there. Not be that they formulate on the night. In any manifestation, there's a fault inside. At the time you see that people are always lying on you, know that they have lied on you from your family. Go and check it. A Mazo enemy is a member of his household. You are useless today in Europe. You thought he is Obaseki. Your foundation, enemy from your father is the one worrying you. A lot of people today, they're the vessel, even when they are jando, instead of them to start criticizing constructively or Kmakman way they all their life, they'll put down for government body. Me know the use of Kmakman. If I have not detected, investigated that we have a lot of wayward traditional rulers, some of them in Benin, I will not be talking. It is the investigation I've carried out, and many are there. Many are there. The records are there. Who is promoting this CDA today? Is it not some young way who need money, who are glutton, who can even use their children for money ritual? How many of them is fighting for a society for you, or Enoge and the rest? How many of them? How many of your political leaders fight for a better society for you the way I consecutively for many years fight it for you today? How many of them? Who talked about the well-being of the society? How many of them who have one day criticized the Fulani the way I did it? How many of them? When did the issue break out that our chieftains right now, they are not collecting title, chieftaincy title from Fulani? It was only 3 people from the Oedo State, about 5 million people. Only 3 people came out to come and condemn here. Where are the remaining Fulefus? They kept quiet because they can't say it. And this I think that is killing our society. Later, you are not trying to use what is happening in social media. I'm a dog to the world. Let make Edo to be great. Let peace be in Edo State. Go and talk to your traditional rulers. Tell them to hold a meeting. Let people be in Edo because that's so waro. No say tension Edo. What you are doing in social media, what do you have to do in Osadebe Avenue? You have nothing to do. But you cannot talk to your people. It's of you to enter media and one of those people, tell them where they are wrong and let them correct themselves. You are coming out of media and why don't you have to make? Have you make your local government? Have you make your father's house to be great? Your own family, have you been able to unite your brothers? Have you been able to unite your association members? Have you been able? What have you, how many people have stayed with you, say from so and so years, I've been a president of so and so association movement like this, for so and so years, I've kept all my members, both the bad and the good. Picture like then why get it to what? Embarrassing on social media. Have you proven leadership? In what area have you proven leadership? In what area? Nana mi pongbo obowa. You can never see old cloth in their hand. Now so new one. Then you want to tell me you know how to preserve something. Tell me your old friend that really follow you today from his eye, who you have not insulted, coming here brainwashing people. And people will still be keen onto the ideology. Intensify your thinking. Intensify your thinking. Intensify your thinking. Nonsense. You think we just watch you guys to just bring this archaic and useless ideology upon people? I don't make it. Go and open up a mechanic. Carry your shovel. Go and be sweeping. I saw a picture on social media that Obama that you guys born is still there today. You guys should bring out the junior man. Then you are wanting the governor. What the governor be doing? Governor not for wait. Governor is waiting for the Edo people, the web media Edo people to start fighting our things. He's not allowed to donate money. Talked about the illness in our society, but so then you are helping the governor. You cannot say you want to join the government. I mean, solidarity for the state to be good. That's why I criticize everything that is not going well. Today, now, Obama market is still there like that. It has not been built. Maybe a Kiosa has not been built. Let's say, what they call Satan market has not been built, for example. What are you doing about it? How many times have you ever feel bad and start laying cost of people that put fire in this thing? Later, you start putting the governor how to go and do it. The governor has a project. He has on how his administration will look like. If you want to go and destroy anything deliberately because of politics, your people will suffer it. That's why you will suffer that Obama market. What's Obama via Boladanti? Why not bring that cost one of the cost give children for abroad? What you not make? What you make when not bring them? They know I cannot here, but why are they supposed to lay cost in Benin? What are they supposed to lay cost on in Benin? The person that mobilized that lane of that fake cost that day, why not make this thing and make that same effort to lay cost on people that be putting fire on the market? You don't you see your people? You see you people. You want to join the government and they repair those things. Repair your life first. Your life is meaningless. Be peace first and foremost among your father's house. Nonsense. Near the talk about no can. One of the diminish one and why I mean you why. The records are there for you guys. People they forget something easily. I don't know what's wrong with them. Oh my what I know there. And I may not tell the only matter. What he said yesterday is the truth. What he just said today is just a fancy. Just trying to deceive you. Why must you be allow yourself to be deceived all the time? You allow yourself to be deceived all the time. Just come out today, this and that. At the end of the day, he's my best friend. I love him so much. But man, wait time no. They are waiting for the person to come. You call me a man of name tomorrow. They are all foolish. He's my best friend. Must you and somebody play? Is it compulsory you must play? I'm not getting it. Okay, if I know that I'm going to become a friend to this Osage Sylvester, now what be here, what better, what be here, what wagbon. If I know we are going to become friends tomorrow, I will not insult his mother. I want today he will stop. He will stop. If he's a woman, or he or she will stop going to people's platform and be writing nonsense. He will stop because of modern Yozangira here. Fosa Sylvester. Osage Sylvester, bera, be you. I get bad word for Matt. In Jesus' name, bera, be you. That's how stupid people will be. You just pass it to people like that. Before I get annoyed and start using some insultive word upon our leaders, now when God they reveal to me the atrocity they are committing, it's not every leader I've talked about. I cannot be mentioning their names. I know they are bad political leaders, that they are bad traditional rulers. I'm supposed to be your closest friend. Why? Because I could differentiate it. I didn't say, oh, the bad one. So if your father happened to be among the bad one, oh, we want a better society. As a bad traditional ruler, how are we going to have a better Nigerian? Now, Isaiah chapter 6, verse 1. The book of Isaiah 6, verse 1. He says, since the day King Uzziah died, he said, I, Isaiah, I see the Lord. He said, king. Uzziah was a king. Oh. He was a king. This was Isaiah speaking. The same Isaiah, now God sent, go meet Ezekiah in the Isaiah 38. Say, put your house in order. This is going to go little to there. You think I don't know what I'm doing? I have every fact why I'm doing my activism. I have what's guarding me. I don't be like una animal. We not get with the guard down. I've always guard my heart the way Jesus in the book of Proverbs 4 verse 23. He said, guard your heart with all diligence. I guard it. Before I start laying curse on this boy, father and mother now, my spirit tell me to lay curse on his father and his mother. So that make it for pain and well because or mother or moja or you zangira viyewa. It's an idiot. I will not take such comment away from you. Just pray after this and make God talk to. I will publish your picture. I will give you social media bully first ever. So that next time you don't go and be constituting nuisance again. How can thousands of comments? You just come and write, hey, Ravi, you are a fool. A fool and yes, man, Ravi, you are. If your pa is in Benin and what me myself is doing is for the betterment of Benin. Idiot. You think you can? It's, at times I value this your comment more than any other thing. Come and be writing it. It's not all comment I respond, but the Spirit of God told me to respond to this. You are that Uzziah that's going to die. He said, since the day King Uzziah died, I, Isaiah, saw the Lord. Because Isaiah was just now like a man like you and I. Uzziah stood on top of the natural resources. Uzziah, he stood and almost killed Isaiah and his generation. And we have a lot of Uzziah today. That's why every King Uzziah in Nigeria that is eating up our destiny, that is selling out for the Fulani, they will die in a hurry in Jesus' name. How will I do all this program? Good or bad, at least 90% godly, 90% God acceptance. You see, come here and fight for it because I'm not talking in the favor of your stupid leaders. Do you look me as a man pleaser? Or do you look me as somebody that will come to Nigeria? What are you charging me for? Is the question. If not because that animal fool himself. For fighting for freedom, you want fight and you are fighting me. If not because he fooled himself. For fighting for freedom, you start fighting him. You are fighting me. If you fight a freedom fighter, you are fighting me. If you don't know now, no. If you fight a patriot, you are fighting me. But I cannot defend somebody that be calling people terrorists and gay. I don't have a moral value for that. I can't. How are you going to defend it? Are you going to only what I will call you to say? I will call you as a person. Please let it go. Just let him. We are brothers. How are you going to stand defending that? You can't defend it. If the law must have to have his place, what can you do? You can't do anything about it. Even when a baddie or let me one, you will call itself. You know, or drop, or a baddie go use shame to drop phone. I have not seen this kind of thing before. When I say where I, you have to face the things according to. That's why we mind what you say. We don't know what's called deformation character. We want to know what's called libel and all of that. We don't know. How can you be doing something, you just do it anyhow? I may say that now, say your father is stupid. It's a normal thing. He was calling me stupid. That's a freedom of speech. That's just a freedom of speech. That one really have nothing to do. But bringing people, children, people's come out, you lay some people they'll put there for a side coffee. Then you want not to report you have sold. Huh? Okay, Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. Because of you, may God cancel Galatians 6 verse 7. He said, don't be deceived, our God is not mocked. Whatsoever a man sow, that shall reap. Because of you, we should cancel it. Huh? And leave only Abraham blesses a man. You are blessed in the morning, you are blessed in the evening. May God punish you there. Because of you, we should cancel law. There is no longer law. You want to also start proving power. It's just that we love ourselves and we don't want any of us to have problem. My hearing you, we'll join together and give you the copy and where your answer. Where the board? Where the board? Everyone when Nigeria get law. Not the Nigeria is a lawless country. Not going to say Nigeria lawless because they're not J. Buhari for genocide. They're not impeach Buhari. Make it happen to you, poor man. That day you know, say, yeah, what are the past, Gary? Until Somole was thinking, all of them were, they hosted, they don't already planned how they want to celebrate. Thinking, say, Imonado. But when it total record, they lost billions of nairas trying to ring the distance. Because the voice of you and I stand. Now the voice of you and I now made them not succeed. So we need to add that same voice together to tell truth in our society. Because you did it in a imo. You feel say Benin is going to be like that. That judge may be regretting today why he give that position to Opu Zodima. I think let me see. I think Imo State Deputy Governor. I saw it yesterday. I think they say he resigned. Let me see, please. I think I shall screen it. Let me see whether I have it somewhere. Just hold on, please. Let me see. We're going to be rounding up right now. Okay, it should be on the phone I'm using. Or let me check another area again, whether it's in somewhere else. Please, if you know what I'm talking about, just put it there. I think Imo Deputy Governor. Imo State Deputy Governor, so. Imo State Deputy. I think he resigned yesterday or so. I saw it and I shall screen it. I wanted to, it's here now. And breaking. Look at it. I don't really know how truthful it would be. Allegedly. I say, thank you, Mondeyu. You are there. He said, breaking news. Imo State Deputy Governor, Palacide Unjuku, just resigned. Say he can't take it anymore. So that was also in media. So the guy right now, maybe he's no longer finding it funny. Because what he himself knows that leadership is no longer like that. If governor is killing his people, you are there celebrating. And he's coming to you. He's going to be around. Now, if you're done, I'll be meet. The people are saying it's true. Now, that is true. Okay, why is he resigning? Okay, no need money again. Look at what's happening in Imo today. No reasonable person want to go and use the head to carry that. But you are happy today. Osage Sylvester no let me with about fear kunle. You are happy. Because in Igbo people that they key. Later you say you shouldn't face racism abroad. Now camp you go there now. Because when you camp on you, we know people in camp how they behave. They behave stupidly. Because they don't know what life is all about. They think about themselves. Or they think about the food where they give us salt, not they. They don't think about the well-being of other people. You're not concerned. I want to concern them. Nonsense. You cannot just be in life. You only know your own. No, life doesn't function like that. Feel for other people. The way it's been written in the book of Matthew 5:7, we say, "Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy." Have you ever wanted to be merciful? Then you want God to be merciful unto you. That's why even most of you in Europe that is ordinary will not take the kind of hustling you are doing here. And not come to use because only you one way be bad and spoil other people. That's why you are not even getting the money in whatever you are doing for a living right now. Because you won't down him. Stupid idiot. I know a lot of things about what most of you are stupidly doing, but we can't bring that one to media because we feel that it's a means of a source of your livelihood. But don't come to media and start constituting nuisance. Tomorrow, right now, is June 12. People are planning on how they are going to storm the tree to make protest. Have you called any leader right now that you want to join them, but you want a better society? Here you are roaming about. No wonder most of you now, most of you now not be up. Fully set of people. If what people are doing, you cannot do it. Just sit back, relax yourself. It's not compulsory. You must talk. It's not compulsory. You say I the opposition for Edo. Calculate how much I've went down the drain in Edo State politics. Calculate how much I went down the drain in Edo State politics. Who took it? Is it not some of your useless father and useless mothers in position there that are bad? Why is Obaseki hated today? Because the way it used to be, festival in Osadebe Avenue. You can go to Sumipu and go there and can use buffalo to carry money. No, the money should be used for the state. And I make all of the verse now. That's why you want to make I end this video. You want to make a dose to be great. Make a dose to be great by saying the truth. If your leader is wrong, tell him he's wrong. You are making a dose to be great. What have changed? The same system. The same system. Now you want to make it great. Must you come to Benin before you make it great? Where is your shovel? Where is your weapon? Where your hammer? Where your pokiti? Where your barrel? Where you want to pass on? Governor, give them broom. Where they go to sweep ring road. As they want to make a dose, I want to join with the governor. Okay, we not fair join hand before. We not fair the government where the state be like this. We be say who not dey court, not fit talk for Benin. What if we make our brother the enter court? Not be intimidation. Can I go enter court here in Europe? Who is intimidating me? But if it is permitted right now, say I will do Agbo and Gino, una for never even block me several times. Can I do all this one in Nigeria there? Una for never come block me since. Oh, we be na my level. Now I what be you what bon. Una say na okay. Your mind is that I not feel late cause because they read Bible. Now who they read Bible now cause they mad pass. Do you know what's called woe? Woe. Do you know what's called woe? We no longer akpa bro. Good day everyone. Till I come across your way again. Bye. Ciao.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Newton. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.